fine. Is there a one under that? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting bigger.
Yeah, dare you to, Daredevil Jessie.
Oh, Jesus. Ready? I really want to run under that. Run under it, Jessie.
That's not under it.
Let's go together then.
Ooh.
How am I going to run under that? Run under it, Jessie, before it turns off.
Come on.
Hurry up, Jessie.
The pads that she's pressing, you know.
What?
Pressing the pads and you're just standing there going, get out. Get it out on the pad. That was me.
Yay, turned it on!
Good, Jessie.
Go under it. Go under it. Go under it.
Go under it.
How am I going to go under that?
You said you would.
When it goes all flaky, yeah, I will. I don't really want to run under the pole. Run into the pole. It's like jellyfish.
My turn.
Oh, I really want to go under that.
Oh,
Go on then.
I'm taking my jumper off though.
I'm taking my jumper off because this is technically a jumper. It's a good thing I've got a vest under here.
I will be freezing if I wear this.
It's a good thing I'm wearing a...
Effing cold, man. Oh god, I'm wearing Uggs as well. Oh, maybe I will actually. I might.
Cold.
I'm going to take your shoes off. I'm taking my shoes off.
Jessie, turn it back on. That'll be so fun.
I'm taking my shoes off. Because I've got Uggs on.
Right, who's going to look after my phone?